talk to you, the youth. Hear my voice tonight. You are our hope, you are our light. Our children, our sisters, our brothers so dear. The strength of tomorrow is standing right here. Because nothing, no, nothing can take your place. You carry the dreams of the human race. So I'm begging you now from my heart so true. Please protect the future inside of you. Protect your future, don't let it fall. You're born to rise, you're born to stand tall. Hold on to your dreams, don't let them fade. Great is the destiny inside you lay. Protect your future, keep your fire bright. Walk in wisdom, walk in the light. The world is waiting for what you do. Protect your future, it begins with you. When the road gets dark and the pressure's strong and the easy path tries to pull you wrong, remember your power, remember your name. You're more than the streets, you're more than the pain. Books in your hands, peace in your mind. Leave all destruction and hatred behind. Choose every step with the purpose in view. There's a greater tomorrow depending on you. Protect your future, don't let it fall. You're born to rise, you're born to stand tall. Hold on to your dreams, don't let them fade. Great is the destiny inside you lay. Protect your future, keep your fire bright. Walk in wisdom, walk in the light. The world is waiting for what you'll do. Protect your future, it begins with you. No drugs, no violence, no stealing your crown. Don't let temporary pleasures bring you down. Your kings, your queens, let your greatness show. Plant good seeds and watch them grow. Lift each other, don't tear apart. The future is built from a united heart. Protect your future, hear the call, rise up together.